This is the tension on the belt, which is a lot more now that it's been running. Wow. You can't push it down as far. Interesting. Look like it's tighter when it gets warmer. Pushing with moderate force.